Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Immich and PhotoPrism in 2025, and I will help you find out which is the best photo management tool. So let's begin with Immich. Immich is a self-hosted photo and video backup platform with modern features like real-time mobile sync, AI facial recognition, and a slick mobile app. Now let's talk about PhotoPrism. PhotoPrism is a privacy-focused photo library tool that uses machine learning for object and face recognition, and it supports RAW formats. So let's compare both of them. Number one, interface. Immich offers a fast, mobile-first experience, while PhotoPrism has a clean web UI, but it is more desktop-oriented. Number two, AI and tagging. Both use AI, but image face detection and auto-tagging is faster and feels more modern. Number three, storage support. Both support external and not networked storage, but PhotoPrism handles raw image files better than Immich. So 4. Mobile app. Immich has a native mobile app for Android and iOS, while PhotoPrism relies on PWA or Progressive Web Apps Access. Number 5. Ideal choice. Pick Immich if mobile backup and facial tagging are your priorities. Choose PhotoPrism for a robust desktop-based library and raw photography workflow. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.